Hello friends, welcome to E2C, which is Education to Career. So in this video, I'll be covering the most important current affair question part 24 for CMET examination. So let's get started with the video. Question number 1. Amazon will set up 2 data centers in which state with USD 1.6 billion investment? So the correct answer is option A, which is Telangana. Investment by Amazon in Telangana. The tech giant has sought environmental clearance for the construction of 2 data centers at a cost of rupees 11,624 crores, around 1.6 billion. They would help in developing an Amazon Web Service region in Telangana. Question number 2. Who has assumed charge of chairman and managing director of GAIL India? So the correct answer is option B, which is Manoj Jain. State-owned GAIL India, Manoj Jain has assumed charge as its chairman and managing director. A mechanical engineer with MBA in operations management, Jain joined GAIL as a graduate engineer trainee in 1985 and rose through the rank of his current position. Question number 3. The Odisha government has signed an MOU with which bank to provide smart banking solution to startups in the state? So the correct answer is option C, which is HDFC Bank, with the aim to strengthening the startup ecosystem in Odisha. State government has signed a memorandum of understanding with HDFC Bank Limited. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Department signed the MOU in the presence of Chief Minister Naveen Patnaik. Question number 4. Lifelong Online has appointed whom as the brand ambassador of its fitness category? So the correct answer is option B, which is Milind Sonam. Lifelong Online has allegedly appointed actor and supermodel Milind Sonam as the brand ambassador of its fitness category. Milind, who is famously known for his fitness, will be introducing the complete range of fitness products by Lifelong Online, which include bikes, treadmills, and other home fitness equipments. Question number 4. NBA All-Star Game MVP award has been permanently named after whom? So the correct answer is D, it is Kobe Bryant. NBA Commissioner Adam Silver announced that the Kia NBA All-Star Game MVP award has been permanently named for the late Kobe Bryant, an 18 times All-Star who won a record time 4 All-Star Game MVP awards. Question number 6. As per the study by International Institute of Strategic Studies, what is the rank of India in defense expenditure globally? So the correct answer is option A, which is fifth. India's actual spend of $52.5 billion in 2017 makes it the fifth largest in the world, overtaking the UK to reach the top 5 slot for the first time, according to the authoritative annual military balance 2018 published last month by the International Institute for Strategic Studies. Question number 7. Goa has signed MOU on education, water, shipbuilding with which country? So the correct answer is option C, which is Portugal. Goa and Portugal signed memorandum of understanding on water augmentation and sewerage management, shipbuilding, education, marine and engineering. An MOU for technical cooperation was signed between Goa and Portugal Minister of Environment for technical support in water supply and water waste management. Question number 8. Kashi Mahakal Express will run between Uttar Pradesh and which state? So the correct answer is option A, which is Madhya Pradesh. The new Kashi Mahakal Express will connect 3 places: Jyotirlinga, Omkashwar near Indore in Madhya Pradesh, Mahakaleshwar, Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh, and Kashi Vishwanath, Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh. Question number 9. What was the theme of 56th Munich Security Conference 2020? So the correct answer is option A, which is Restlessness. Chairman of the Munich Security Conference, Wolfgang Ischinger, holds a copy of Munich Security Report during the press conference in Berlin, Germany on Feb 10, 2020. The upcoming 56th Munich Security Conference will discuss the theme coined as Westlessness as the loss of common standing of what it means to be a part of the West, according to the report published. Question number 9. Microsoft has announced the launch of its third India Development Center in which city? So the correct answer is D, which is Noida. Microsoft expands footprint in India with a new engineering hub in NCR, Noida, advancing its commitment to invest in country's engineering talent. Microsoft announced the launch of the Indian Development Center, National Capital Region. Question number 11. Which movie has won the Best Film Award at 65th Amazon Filmfare Award 2020? So the correct answer is A, which is 65th Filmfare Award. Gully Boy wins biggest honor of the night. Ranveer Alia Best Actor and Actress, The Economic Times. Question number 12. Who has won the Crane Cup Chase Tournament? So the correct answer is B, which is Kangaroo Humpy. World's Rapid Champion India's Kangaroo Humpy won the Cranes Cup Chase Tournament. Humpy won the title after winning 6 points of 9 rounds. This was the second edition of Crane Cup. Question number 13. The Union government has decided to rename the Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis after whom? So the correct answer is option B, which is Manohar Parrikar. The Union government has decided to rename well-known think tank Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis as Manohar Parrikar Institute for Defence Studies and Analysis. The decision has been taken to honor the commitment and legacy of the late Manohar Parrikar. Question number 14. Who has been appointed as Scotland's first female finance secretary? So the correct answer is option A, which is Kate Forbes, has been appointed as Scotland's first female finance secretary. Question number 5. According to the report by the World Population Review, India emerged as the world's dashed largest economy in 2019. So the correct answer is C, which is fifth. India emerged as the world's fifth largest economy by overtaking the UK and France in 2019. A US-based think tank World Population Review and its report said that India is developing into an open market economy from its previous autarkic policies. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.